what methods can we apply to preach to the Western society, to preach Islam to the Western society?
It all depends on which person you are speaking to. Everybody has his own approach, and everybody has his own doors which are opened or shut. So it all depends on what sort of person you are talking to. If he's an atheist, then you have to convert him first to belief in Allah. And if he is a strong Christian, then you should know the background of Christianity, etc., and preach to him according to Ahmediyya approach against Christianity. And if he is a Jewish person, then the approach will be completely different. So in generality, this question cannot be answered. You have to find out whom you are speaking to and what his interests are. So go along with him for a while and then start preaching. And the best thing is to be of good conduct and preach with the best advice. Good conduct is very impressive, and people begin to see that this man is slightly different from us, or rather different from us. So that is my advice in answer to this question.